What's new in CAMWorks 2018? Integrated Tolerance-Based Machining, or Integrated TBM, uses smart manufacturing to read MBD and PMI data, automatically select machining strategies, and automate the CNC programming process. Users can specify the desired machining strategy for undersized, nominal, or oversized machining, and Integrated TBM will read the MBD or PMI data and automatically select the correct machining strategy to meet the tolerance requirements. The ISO 286 standard for limits and fits is also supported. Users can select the tolerance descriptor and the size range, and Integrated TBM will automatically display the tolerance value and select the correct machining strategy when an ISO 286 designator is specified in the MBD or PMI data. Integrated TBM also reads surface finish symbols, automatically colorizes the surfaces that fall within a user-specified range, and automatically selects the correct machining strategy to meet the surface finish requirements. When using Integrated TBM, a host of options are available to automate the CNC programming process. Once the options are selected, Integrated TBM begins reading the surface finish symbols and other MBD and PMI data, colorizing the surfaces, and selecting the correct user-assigned machining strategies. Integrated TBM can identify the machinable features, generate the operations for machining, sort the operations, and generate toolpaths all automatically. Automate your CNC programming process. Get Integrated TBM today. For more information, go to www.camworks.com.